In this video, I'm gonna guide you through a quick and easy process on how to follow someone on Onlyfans. So let's get started without any further ado. Open up a web browser of your choice or simply open your Onlyfans application and make sure to log into your account. Here I'm logged into my Onlyfans account on a web browser. Once you're inside this main homepage, go and tap on the search icon at the top right hand corner. Make sure that you're inside the main homepage of Onlyfans. From the main homepage, tap on the search icon at the top right hand corner and then in the search box, search for the desired creator's name you want to follow. After you make your search, you'll end up in the search result. From the search results, click on the account name link of the person, which will then take you to their profile picture. Tap on the subscribe button under subscription from their profile and click on please add a payment card. If you've not added the credit card or debit card yet for the account, you'll need to do it now. Fill in your card details in the pop-up and then, after doing it all, tap on submit. And once your payment method has been added on the account, you'll be able to subscribe or follow any contents on OnlyFans, and the amount will be deducted from the added card. So there you have it. That is how you should be able to follow someone on OnlyFans. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. Stay tuned for more valuable content and see you again next time. Thank you for watching.